Hi everyone, my name is Stephanie. This is my corgi Toffee, and I am a front-end engineer at Molecula. The thing I love about engineering is the ability for us to impact people's lives. For me personally, I like to improve the user experience for someone, and so that's why I'm a front-end engineer. I'm on what we call the cloud SaaS team. So I'm building the front end for our SaaS product. And I work with a bunch of back-end engineers, and they help me interface with FeatureBase. So what I find most interesting about the FeatureBase technology is the speed, honestly. The fact that we can query billions of records in a matter of seconds. That's something I've never seen before, and it's actually really exciting because it allows us to do real-time queries, essentially. And I think everyone knows we have an abundance of data and no way to get to it. So if someone were to join the cloud team, they would be helping build the SaaS product. There's a lot of components to it, helping to scale the product. It could be writing some documentation, could be working on the front end as well. Yeah, basically anything related to the cloud. One tool that I really like is video speed control.
And it really lets you control like the speed of anything that you're either listening to online or watching. So that lets you go through content at like 2x speed.
And so a 30-minute presentation where you're trying to find information really gets condensed down into 15, and you save so much time. And least favorite, anything AWS that has a front end, because it's just terrible. Just looking for anything in that tool. It's so powerful, but they just put no effort into making a better user experience. I think my team is really special because we have really interesting hobbies, to be honest. Someone makes video games on the side. Our director of the cloud team, Jason, has chickens, and he likes to bring those into our calls. And not the actual chickens, but like the fact that they're sitting outside his window. But my free time, I really enjoy coffee. Pretty much anywhere I travel, I will look for coffee shops to go to. And if I'm somewhere where I'm unsure about the situation, I will actually bring my entire coffee setup with me. I'm a big rock climber. It's kind of a joke amongst friends where this is actually my side hustle and I'm actually just a climber.